Here's what's inside the Direct Kit for the Artex articulator. You get the TrueZero Setup for installation, the upper plates and the lower plates, 2 GlueJet tools, the magnet inserter. Drop the magnet in and the polarity is always right, and a starter pack of magnets. Standard magnets. You can restock them anywhere. The kit covers both the light and the ultra version. The ultra is shorter, for more room in the articulator. The plates fit directly onto the Artex Split-Cast, no adapters. The lower part comes in 2 pieces, the Split-Cast and the plate. So you finalize the calibration directly on your own articulator. You lock it with the Gemini Calibrator. The inner part rotates. Add silicone or plaster and lock the height. Light calibrator with its light upper plate. Then it seats straight onto the articulator. In your Artex. And remember, the contacts you design in CAD are the contacts you verify on the articulator.